Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Gabriel return to the Arsenal training where they call London Colney to continue in rehabilitation from injury. Like I tell you yesterday, say the prognosis initially na 10 to 12 weeks. So from the look of things, we don't enter at least even though be week 9 or week 10. So I believe in the next 2-3 weeks, the guy will come back to full training and they're ready and available for selection. I don't know this thing before, so we are expecting him to come back and play a pivotal role, a very, very big role in this second stanza of the league where they go, because we are fighting on all fronts. Europa League still there. I mean, I don't forget to the round of 16. So we are also planning to win the Europa League if possible, and also to win the league if possible. So we just see everything go. So I know say it's not easy for this league, because just look at what happened yesterday now. Leeds United almost beat Manchester United. Leeds, they beat them 2-0. In short, as match just started, I never even sit down finish. Leeds don't score. I think 59 seconds. Leeds don't bust nets 1-0. Before I know what happened, second half, match just starts. Never even reach any small. Leeds don't score again. 2-0. Before Man U come they equalize. Before you know the match ended 2-2. So Man U self don't drop punch. Even at the Man U guy never say they can win the league. And then they drop punch against the relegation team. Now so they build the relegation team and they just lose their coach. You come just a caretaker manager. Now he come manage them yesterday. Even their best player, Rodrigo, no even play, was on the bench. But Manchester United had like 6 first team regulars. Their midfield was very, very porous. Because if you be like Casemiro, we get red card. Casemiro no day there. You get McTominay no day. Eriksen no day. Like they get many Anthony gone no day. They get many players when they out, so it affects their own style of play. Now Marcel Sabitzer, aka Stabilizer, now in they use there with Fred. So as I watch the game, I cool down watch am from beginning to the end. You get so. Leeds, they don't play like relegation team, they play very, very well. Even one of our Manchester United friends, I tell them say, make them be very careful for Leeds, for Elland Road. I don't know say Leeds go even go disturb them for Old Trafford. So Elland Road, because they go play Leeds back to back, come on the way. The one with them postpone and this current one. So now next they'll go Elland Road, go play Leeds again. So I believe say they go drop more points over there. That's what it be, to let you know say this league is very, very hard. This league hard. So away from that, so JJ Okocha don't come outside call the talk, say he trusts Arsenal to win the EPL this season, and Baba giving reasons. And this one for those who don't watch the YouTube podcast yesterday, and some people don't want that say why you say if I drop evening news I'll come drop the same news again the next day. The reason is because the evening news is only dropped in YouTube. I go live on YouTube every evening to drop them. I'll come share the link on Facebook. Now we have over 65,000 people on Facebook. Some of them don't have access to YouTube, because so are we saying we should not let them hear the news? I have to add the news so that them also will be informed, because not everybody there for YouTube, because so that is the reason. I say make I reiterate that, because some people will want that say, Ezra, the news way I watch yesterday for YouTube, I can't see them again today for the news again. So that is the reason. So JJ the talk say Arsenal are more consistent in their play. Unlike Man City don't drop many points this season. Unlike what they do before, they drop many points, and see they're not playing to their optimal capacity. And the reason is because they bought a certain Erling Haaland that distorted their style of play. I always say it is my mantra that Erling Haaland has cost Man City more harm than good, and I want to make them falter the way they play this season. So Baba the talk say they see Arsenal coming good, and since Arsenal has been long been won the league since 2003-2004 season, so they have the desire, they have the hunger, they have the capability, ability, and everything it takes to win this EPL league this season. So we'll just be optimistic and keep our fingers crossed. So I read now don't come outside the talk saying they see Arsenal peeping, no they see Man City peeping Arsenal to the league title. So now your own opinion with that. I look at it, the reason we say Man City don't do this kind of position for a very, very long time. They know how to chase down people till the end of the day and win the league. They don't do them before in the past. That is why many people they optimistic. most people when they talk say Man City go win the league, not be because Man City don't play so well this season, but because of their past glory, because of their past history, their antecedents, the things they've done in the past. Not be the first time when they will chase them with Liverpool, they do title race, then with Man City, Manchester United title. I remember one season when we say now on the deadline, on the last day, Aguero scored the winner 3-2. I don't forget what they play. Now that day, now they win the league. In fact, the Premier League title, the FA don't know where they go carry and go keep because they don't know who go fit win now. Manchester United they win their own opponent. Now this Man City can later equalize, can win 3-2. They can carry the trophy, can travel go, carry and go drop for Man City. Can start to write their name there again. Because on that day they don't know where they will keep. They just keep the trophy but in neutral position. They're going to watch the match. So Man City know how to challenge for all those kinds. That's why many people they talk say I'll give it to Man City, I'll give it to Man City because they know say Arsenal on the last day they always capitulate. Like what happened last season, we were supposed to go Champions League. So those are our antecedents. That's why most people don't believe in us because of what we've done in the past. Obviously we do like say we won't get something at the end of the day we'll just fall. But this season we are trying to let them know we are different. This season we want to do something great. Okay, so let's just keep our fingers crossed. David Bentley say if every journalist don't come outside the talk say make Arsenal go sign Callum Hudson-Odoi. Say Arsenal really even they interested in the guy and the guy is willing to move because so many players on day for that Chelsea setup, and before him go see the light of day, it will be very difficult. Even people like Conor Gallagher, they are looking to find greener pastures elsewhere. So players need to move. Once summer don't reach now, depending on where Chelsea end. If Chelsea end out of the Champions League slot, out of the Europa League slot, and maybe going to UEFA Europa Conference League or out of the Conference League, it could be very disastrous. Many players go on leave. You get so, and Arsenal may be an attractive destination for some kind of players. See, once you go understand me, say there are some players who are in Chelsea, you get, who no fit into the Chelsea style of play, but if they come to Arsenal, they will thrive. It dey happen like that. Somebody like Sterling, are you going to tell me Sterling is a bad player overnight? I know how high flying Sterling was in City. Some Arsenal fans going to say, no, I don't like Sterling. Sterling no play well for Chelsea. If Thomas Partey go for Chelsea, he go flop. Now so it be. That place is poisonous. That place is toxic. You get. If you go there, they go play you out of position. They go the style of play there is just different. You get. That's why people like Mudryk now they misfire. You know, see Mudryk get 45 minutes for the last match he play. No shot on goal, no even tackle, no falling down. Say maybe they foul you, no touch in your position box. Not as in just too disastrous. But it is what it is, yeah. My word himself don't come outside from media settings when they drop some kind things. When they talk say when he play for Arsenal, say the criticism was too much. Like so many people they expect so much of him for the team. So you just thanking parents with the guide them. You get at the end of the day, come find square root. Say, oh that place, you know, easy to thrive. But at the same time, whenever team beat Arsenal, the guy no rubber for our faces. He thanks Arteta, say maximum respect, say much love, man. Say the manager, a very good manager, and he did a lot for him. So just talk plenty chat. But you can let us know the inside. Since they happen, they say, oh the criticism. It was too much. People were saying it was not good enough for Arsenal, and it is the truth. Yes, the truth is bitter. But you are not good enough. Say you are not good enough. You know, go to compare Arsenal and Everton. They go Everton, they shine. If you come Arsenal, if you do what Saka they do. So let's call this spade a spade. Our Man City said now they talk say they will come for Arteta if they lose Pep Guardiola, because Pep Guardiola don't talk on different locations. Say if the FA or the independent commission find them guilty on this their FFP charges, get say he go resign. At the same time, he can talk say if Barcelona come for him, say they won't sign him, maybe they won't fire Xavi, say they won't sign him, say he go still resign, he go join Barca. So you can't say no to them. So many times, so you don't come outside for the media set because they put all these things out. So people go to wonder say we are in allegiance day, you get, because not be under in tutelage. Now all this financial fair play happen. Not be in the points player where they buy for him. You go talk saying they don't know their financials. So maybe they exclude themselves of the issue. It's part of the issue, or maybe just want to punish himself by taking a honorable bow. Maybe just step aside. I don't really know. Most just the watch. But one thing I know is that Pep Guardiola will, Mikel Arteta will not replace Pep Guardiola. Arsenal will let him go after all the things on the build. So what is now the building for? And that person will come down and dismantle the whole building where he build. It makes no sense. That's why then they look say they won't come carry Arteta, because Arteta and Pep are the only two people using the same blueprints. So it will be very easy. The flow will just be seamless. The continuity will mad. Even just go there because they continue from where Pep stopped. But if another manager enter that city now, it will dismantle everything where Pep don't set up. The structure, the style of play, it will dismantle them, bring your own style, which will be disastrous to them. It will help them in any way. So we'll just watch that. Kevin Campbell said don't come outside call the talk say Arteta go dey consider to bench Ben White because in his opinion Ben White no really dey in form again. Say the guy run sharp with the way the guy dey play get, so the meeting wey go make sense na make them put in a Tomiyasu, make them put Ben White for the bench get, make just stay for Benjamin small. After the World Cup some people come dey play unlike the way they dey play before, so Ben White na number one suspect. Going to say against Everton say Ben White no play well, but you no go use against Everton come dey judge. Na only Ben White no play well for Arteta to comot party before when he comot am, you no know wetin he mean. For him to comot the hold the guard, you don't know what he mean. When you come on Martinelli, you don't know what he mean. Everybody collectively failure. They play woefully. Get so not gonna pinpoint one person and say okay, now this person. Even the defense they even try safe. So we don't concede more than one. If you Saliba talker, say we don't concede more than one. I think I tell them say Everton had the hunger. They want to stay up there. Look at Leeds now. Because they're drawn now, at least they don't come up small. 1 point is very, very important in the relegation battle. So we'll just continue. So Reece Nelson don't come back to full training for Arsenal, so I think he will be available for selection moving forward. So but Arteta hand the day because Arteta don't dey spoiled with so many people if he choose when match they don't come. We go there for the Benjamin, so and also done the clamor for a very, very long time. So I'm happy he has that luxury now. So this is what it is. Lisandro Martinez will be Manchester United centre back. So don't come as I call it talk. Say it is very, very important for them to close the gap between them and Arsenal, but at the same time say them will take on one game at a time because you know they're very, very easy. In as much as it is important, but they know they look and see that they're so responsible, that they're so focused. No, they are going to take it one game at a time because they want to make sure say they finish the season strongly, because the difference between them and people like Newcastle, you know why though? Newcastle win their match now, they go leapfrog Manchester United from what I'm seeing. So you know there is that top four, top four no go dey easy, but we'll just watch and see how everything they push out. I guess some people are going to bring this argument, say Zinchenko they affect Martinelli games. So that's why Martinelli know they thrive again. So I say make I bring them to now notice whether I don't observe them, whether I support that notion or not they against the notion. It talks because Zinchenko know they really overlap, if they can't add more bodies to the midfield. So Martinelli know they get person where go do 2v1 against the fullback there to free him. If you say Zinchenko now, if you say na Kylian at least Kylian will just overlap. Why the defender no go know who he go mark, whether make him follow Tierney or make him follow Martinelli. So when we follow Tierney, Martinelli go cut in. If you want follow Martinelli, go free Tierney. So that thing says Zinchenko know they do him. You get? I know say Zinchenko they add more bodies to the midfield, but that overlapping, I don't know whether he does that. So if he doesn't do that, truly it's going to affect the play of Martinelli. Where some people they of the school of thought say Martinelli no just dey informed. Say me they don't use Zinchenko they cover body. So I don't know what to I don't observe. If you don't observe anything like that, let me know in the comment section. Make I know your thoughts. German Defoe will be one of the pundits out there. Come as I call it talk say between Bukayo Saka and Phil Foden. Saying go pick Saka because Saka has been fantabulous this season. He has been playing very, very well. At least you know if you call Arsenal first, then we no put Saka in there, I guess. But when you talk of Man City, I'm gonna go put that name. For me, if this Saka enter Man City, I get confidence that the guy go start. Yes, the way that they play this season, I got confidence in Gustav. How many goals Mahrez don't score this season? 4 goals, which is unlike him. That's what I'm talking about. Erling Haaland. How many goals Kevin De Bruyne? Go check the statistics of goal scorers for the league this season. Kevin De Bruyne is number 50. I checked it. I check and steady. He did number 50. Though he get plenty assists too, but for goal scored, unlike him, for goal scored, he did number 50. Mahrez, when we say normal in the season, go score like 17 goals. Mahrez don't score 4 goals this season. You get so nobody compare. They are playing woefully this season because all road leads to Haaland. Haaland don't score 25 goals. You get because everybody is contributing to Haaland to score. That's the problem this season, and they're doing more crossing and not than more tiki-taka. So that's why their own style of play can capitulate like a pack of cards. When they favor Arsenal, as Arsenal they on the ascending order. You get so this is what it is. That's why people like German Defoe will say, okay, when I look at Phil Foden, when I look at Saka, I'll pick Saka over him. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.